Hey there, welcome back to Casa, your go-to home for nursing education that's hands-on, real-world, and here to help you succeed. If you're new here, I'm Tina, nurse practitioner. Today we'll be diving into an important nursing skill on how to use and manage a Hemovac drain with a real demo. Whether you are refreshing your skills, preparing for clinical rotation, this video will help you master your Hemovac drain like a pro. So grab your notebook and let's get into it. So what is a Hemovac drain? This drain helps aid in removing bodily fluids and helps reduce the risk of infection. This device is a closed suction drain system that is commonly used for like orthopedic or abdominal surgeries post-operatively. So how it works is through suction. When it is compressed, it creates this negative pressure that gently pulls out fluid from the surgical site into its chamber. This is how it helps promote healing. So as an RN, you want to monitor this drain closely. Let's go over the parts of a Hemovac drain. So this is the reservoir. This is the evacuator on the top. This is your port where you're going to empty the contents. And then this is the stopper to keep it compressed. This is your evacuator tubing. This is the connector. And then this is the wound tubing. So when the surgeon makes the incision, they use this needle, and it's also known as a trocar. Once the tubing is in place, they remove the needle and this stays in place. So let's go step by step on how to use a Hemovac drain. There are 4 main steps, and don't forget to watch till the end for some pro tips and troubleshooting measures. Step 1, check the site. Always assess the dressing. Is it clean and dry? And check when it was last changed, and make sure to follow your hospital protocol guidelines on frequency of changing or as needed with saturation. Also, don't forget to look at the insertion site, monitor for redness, leakage, or swelling around the surgical site. Step 2, empty the drain. Always wash your hands, then apply gloves. You'll want to unclamp the cap at the top, but position away from you to avoid hazardous splashes. This would be reasonable for you to wear your safety goggles to ensure safety. Then carefully empty the drainage or bodily fluid into a graduated cylinder. Step 3, measure and record. This is important for the provider and the nurse to monitor fluid output trends. This gives us vital information as we will want to see the fluid output trending down. If there was an abrupt increase in drainage, it's a clue for the RN something has changed and needs to be addressed with the healthcare provider. So review the output drainage trends. Also, don't forget to write down the color, amount, and consistency of the fluid. Step 4, you want to compress and reseal. Remember to squeeze the drain flat to create a negative pressure, and don't forget to apply the cap when it is compressed so it stays like that. And that's it, 4 simple steps. Don't forget to label and record per your hospital or facility policy guidelines. Now let's move on to some pro tips and troubleshooting measures. Always remember, if you're changing the dressing, use sterile gloves. If you notice a sudden change of bright red blood, notify the healthcare provider. If the drain is not re-expanding again, either the suction is not working or a defect with the tubing, make sure there are no kinks while checking the tubing and the seal. Remember, this drain can be secured with a drain pouch or a safety pin. Be sure to secure below the wound. Hemovac drains can seem intimidating at first, but remember, you got this. Nursing is all about confidence through competence. Every time you practice, you're building your muscle memory and intuition that saves lives. And hey, if no one told you today, you're doing amazing. Keep growing, keep learning, as Casa is here for you every step of the way. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more future nurses find us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell as we post new nursing skills, pop quizzes, and real-world tips. Until next time, stay safe, stay compassionate, and as always, stay caring. See you on the next one.